Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks you're here today again, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook account without any phone number or registered Gmail. I know you some of you might have tried to open a Gmail account, a Facebook account and it says you've used this number too many times, or this mobile number too many times, or the Gmail you used in opening. So this time around you have to create as much as Facebook account that you can with this method I'm going to show you now. So if you want to know about this trick, stick around in this video. If it's your first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button in order to get some new tips when I drop them on my channel. So right now, let's go to Facebook first of all to create our Facebook account without a Gmail or mobile phone number, verifying it. And you still have to verify it at last, but stick around and watch. So this is Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. These are the accounts that I created, so there are many. So you just have to go create new Facebook account. Yes, tap next, then put in a name, your name or whatever, a name. Then I'm going by after putting a name, you click on next. This is my former phone number. Then you put a fake phone number on that. So I'm gonna go by, this is a phone number, but it's not mine, it's just fake. So make sure the digit is complete. Then you click on next. The next, put your birthday. So then click on next. Choose your gender. So I'm male, I'm going to choose male. Then on this one, you have to create a password. So then next, then sign up. Just wait. After we're going to verify our Gmail without using our own personal Gmail. The account is created, but it's remaining verification. Then tap OK. Next time you log in on this device, just tap your account instead of typing it. Say OK. These are my past Gmails, my Gmail that I have in my phone. You know, you can still create Gmail accounts without using your mobile phone number. So if you want to know how to create a Gmail account without using your mobile phone number to verify it, then you have to check my channel or check the description of this video. Then you will see how to create multiple Gmail accounts, unlimited, as much as you can, anyone you want. So you can check my description to know how to create a Gmail without your phone number. It's right there. I'll tag it on this video. Then create, say add your email. Then you say don't add email on the bottom. Then when you say enter the 5 digits code from your SMS, they set an SMS to that fake number, but you don't have to go there. You don't have to worry about yourself by that. Just say confirm by email. So this is new email. You have to put an email here. So now exit, just minimize, do not exit. Go to Chrome, then type search term. Look at the site you search on the screen, then it will bring you here. And sometimes you have to confirm if you a robot or a real human or a real person. That it will bring a kind of a security question or so captured. Then you have to clear it and access this site if it's your first time of coming to this site. So you copy your temporary email address, copy it, then go to your recent tab. So go to your recent tab, it will bring you back here. Then go again, confirm by email, then paste the email you copied here, then tap next. When you click next, it sends an email to that place. Then go back to your browser. When you go back there, scroll a little bit down. Your inbox is empty, waiting for incoming email. Then let's wait a little bit. This is the code, it has sent it. Then all you have to do is just, it won't allow you to copy it, so just cram it and like 72213. Okay, 72213. Okay, your account is created. That's it. If you want to upload a picture, you can do it through here, or you just keep later, you can do that. So that's it. And Facebook is better with friends. Turn on all this contact stuff, skip it. If you want to connect with your contact, then you can turn it on. This is your account without using your personal Gmail account. Can you see this? It's created. That's how I create so many Facebook accounts without my phone number or Gmail. And like I said before, if you want to know how to create unlimited Gmail account without even your phone number, you just have to check my channel, and you will see it. And at the end of this video, you're going to see it on the screen. So you have to click there and make sure you watch the video, share, subscribe to this channel, and let your friends know about this channel so you can teach them as well to make things easier for them. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.